Hey, what's up, guys? Your host, Blaze Boogie. I went ahead and looked it up on how to remove gum from your clothes and stuff. So instead of y'all having to look it up on the internet, Google, y'all can just watch this video. But nonetheless, I went ahead and tried it out. That way I could bring it to y'all and actually tell y'all that it does work. So right here, what I have is gonna be, it's like a windbreaker type sweater, yeah, jacket type. I went ahead, as you can see right here, I got some gum on it. It's been a while. I left it on here for like maybe a week already. But I went ahead and tried it. What y'all gonna be needing is some detergent. Doesn't matter what it is. I went ahead and used this one. And then what you're gonna need is a blunt knife or something. I try to make sure it's not too sharp. That way it doesn't go ahead and rip your clothes. Like I was stating, this is on like a windbreaker type jacket. So any other cloth, I'm not sure if it does work. But hey, if it's on this one, go ahead and try it. What I went ahead and just a little bit of detergent. I went ahead and just wiped it on there. Once you already get to do that, you're gonna go ahead and use your blunt knife, and you're just gonna go ahead and scrape it. As you can see, once you start scraping it, it starts to come off already. Just get you like a napkin or something to remove the residue from the gum off of it. Once you do that, you're good to go. Just make sure it all comes off. Throw it inside the washer. Give it one last wash, and good to go. Thank you for watching. Peace. Hey, what's up, guys? I'm looking a little rough right now, but hey,